So Miss Lady, we are here at your beautiful shop in Venice. How long have you been here?
Oh, 15 years. It's really a long time.
So you started right out of like elementary school and you did
Yes,
shopping.
yes, and I come here with all my family. But it's a nice place. It's very beautiful, Venice.
Okay, and this beautiful shop, I got some of these clock purses. I want to show everybody. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. They're beautiful. What inspired you to bring this type of fashion to Italy?
Actually, I buy all in Florence, and you can find the best quality for the purse and also for the clothes. So you have good quality and also good price.
Okay.
Actually, yes.
Okay. And coming from Colombia to here, you know, everybody likes all the single guys. They like to go to Colombia and they talk with the chicas, but this is beautiful.
Yes.
This is beautiful.
It's something different, of course. I have also jeans from Colombia, so push up, and you don't find here in Italy. So it's something very special.
And they can get this online too, correct?
Online,
You
yes.
ship.
You can-
Look,
yeah,
hold on.
you
Look
ship,
at her
of course.
Instagram. Look at her. Hold on, you guys. It's not okay. There, it's clear. Check her Instagram out. Can you give a roundabout? Like, if you want to send a purse, how much does that cost?
You have at the range, for example, it's 25 and maximum it's 65 euros. Of course, if you want to buy the clock, you pay maximum 75.
Okay.
Yes, no more. But yes, the range it's 20, 25 for the simple purse. But
Okay.
if you want something more special, something more different, you pay 70 euros. But it's not too much, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you have another shop. It's
I
not
have
on this
another-
card. It's glasses.
Yes.
Give the name of that one too, please.
It's sunglasses, so it's luxury brands. So you actually have the copy for the brand. So you find Gucci, you find Tom Ford, Fendi, Miu Miu. So the sunglasses for 200 euros. And you pay only 10 euros because are very similar. Yes, the style is very similar.
Okay,
So,
okay.
yeah.
No, this is beautiful. I hope people see this. I want to do a full interview with her, but she's busy running her shop. So I just wanted to get this on record that we talked. Thank you. Gracias.
Thank you
Grazie.
so much. Grazie, grazie mille.
Oh, man. You don't have another shop in Colombia we need to promote, do
Oh,
you?
I don't have.
Okay. And what city in Colombia are you from?
Bogota.
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 Okay.
My father is from Medellin.
Uh-huh.
You know Pablo Escobar?
Yes.
Yes. I'm from Bogota.
Okay. Yeah, everyone, I'm going to tell her something off air because we don't always have to mention Escobar every time. But okay.